Here is the form I created. First, I'm going to show you the questions I have. So I wanted my questions to be about myth or fact, and this is based off an objective I created about myth or facts about people with Down syndrome. And I wanted my students to be able to receive an 80% accuracy after completing this little form. And so I have questions. People with Down syndrome do not have the option to go to college. Is that true or false? There's also people with Down syndrome do not always have older mothers. People with Down syndrome are always happy. People with Down syndrome can live independent lives, and all people with Down syndrome look the same. So I had 4 of my friends take this, and so I got to look through some of their responses. And as you can see, there's not that much discrepancy, but it's cool to be able to see that all 4 of them thought it was false. One of them thought that people with Down syndrome do not always have older mothers is false, which is actually true. Then all 4 of them thought people with Down syndrome are always happy is false. All 4 of them knew that people with Down syndrome can live independent lives. And all 4 of them knew that all people with Down syndrome look the same is a false myth. So it's also cool. I can also look at individuals, and I can see individually what my first person thought, my second person, my third person, and then my fourth person. Another really cool factor with this is I can actually view responses in a Excel document. So if I wanted, I could make a graph. If I wanted to share this with maybe a principal, or if I wanted to share this with the students on how everyone did on their quizzes, or I could create an average if I also want to do that. But it's cool to see, I can see everybody's responses at the same time. And I can also see what time they took them at, which is really awesome. And then I can see the questions at the top. So overall, I really enjoyed this form and thought it was a really great way to inform my students.